In Etheria these days, we sweat it out on the streets of a runaway ink-blot continent. Horde Troopers chasing rebels between bases and suicide machine chases. Sprung from cages out on planet 9, chrome wheel fuel injected and stepping out over the line. Oh brother, the Fright Zone rips out organic bones from your baby back, baby back, baby back rap. It's a death trap. You He-Man, me She-Ra, her Glimmer, Glamour gals take inner power back. Restore habitats, become the winner, 'cause tramps like us, baby, we were born to run, 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 run. Burning in Etherian sun, popping like popcorn, run. Yes, girls, we are not just victims, we are women survivors. Frosta, let me in, I wanna be your friend, I want to guard your frozen dreams. Catra, can you wrap your sexy mind around our herbal schemes? Strap your hands across my beams, together we could break the system. We'll run till we drop fighting Hordak. Horde Prime should know by now, we will never ever ever go back. Oh, walk with me out on the wire, fly with me in a flame chariot flyer, 'cause baby, 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 hey, I'm just a scared and lonely rider. Now you know how I feel, because I know that love is wild, baby, love is real. Gotta keep it real. Oh, can you see? If you wanna be free, I want you to show me. Glimmer, He-Man, She-Ra, Horde breaking his buzz, go! Beyond the Crystal Palace, controlling hemi-powered drones, scream down the boulevard, girls hair combed with bone phones. Silly boys try to look so hard, ancestral legacy told to the bold. Kids huddled on the beach in a mist, we have all been put on a kill list. I wanna die with you too tonight, in the valley of everlasting light. Magic so bright we just might. She-Ra, She-Ra. Spaceways jammed with broken heroes in rusty cans, on a last chance power drive.